How can I fix PlayStation Network being busy?
Hello PlayStation lovers. We know how frustrating it can be when the PlayStation Network, PSN, appears to be busy. But don't worry. In this video, we will guide you through some steps that can help resolve this issue. Remember, patience is the key because sometimes it might be an issue from Sony's end.
What causes PlayStation Network to be busy?
Before diving into solutions, it's essential to understand why the PlayStation Network might be busy. The issue can be due to a high traffic load on the server, too many people trying to access it at once, a problem with your internet connection, or it could be because of maintenance activity by Sony.
How do I confirm that the PSN is actually busy?
To confirm whether the issue is with PSN or your console, you can check the PSN status from the PlayStation website or from your console. If it's indeed busy, it means there is a high load on their servers or they might be doing some maintenance activities. You have to wait for some time until the server is available again.
What can I do if PSN is busy?
Let's discuss some solutions you can try when the PlayStation Network is busy. 1. Wait it out. Sometimes, the best solution is to wait. If the servers are indeed overloaded, they will become less busy over time. Check back in a few hours and see if the situation has improved. 2. Check your internet connection. In case the problem isn't from Sony's end, ensure your internet connection is working properly. Try restarting your router or check with your ISP if there are any issues. 3. Change DNS settings. Sometimes, changing the DNS settings can help. Go to Settings, Network, set up Internet Connection, Custom and then enter Google's public DNS, Primary DNS, 8.8.8.8, Secondary DNS, 8.8.4.4, or OpenDNS, Primary DNS, 208.67.222.222, Secondary DNS, 208.67.220.220. 4. Try a wired connection. If you are using a wireless connection, consider switching to a wired one. This can often lead to more stable and faster internet speeds. 5. Rebuild the database. In some cases, rebuilding the database from safe mode might help. Be aware that this should be done cautiously as it can delete some data. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding and potentially fixing the issue with PlayStation Network being busy. Remember to always check your internet connection and the PSN status before proceeding with other steps. If all else fails, it might be best to reach out to Sony's customer support. Happy gaming!